Welcome, everyone. If you want to speak English with confidence, you're in the right place. Today, we are going to talk about the importance of learning English. Keep watching to find out why learning English can change your life. Let's go over the topics we'll discuss in this video. The importance of English, language skills overview, developing listening skills, improving speaking skills, mastering reading and writing. Here's what we'll cover. The importance of English. English has an important role in the global context and provides various benefits. Some reasons why English is important to learn include: first, global communication. English is an international language used in many fields, including business, technology, and diplomacy. Second, adaptability. By mastering English, a person can more easily adapt to global situations, whether traveling, working, or studying abroad. Finally, technological advancement. English dominates the digital and technological world. Many online resources, tutorials, and technology documentation are in English. To learn English effectively, it's important to understand the 4 basic language skills. To become fluent in English, you need to master 4 essential language skills. In this section, we'll explore each one: listening, speaking, reading, and finally, writing. The first and most important skill is listening. To improve your listening skills, you should listen to English podcasts and using audiobooks, finally language apps with an audio focus. This is very important for improving your listening skills. It is important because it helps you learn English faster. Join a speaking club, do conversation practice, and take part in a language exchange. Now let's move on to the second part, mastering reading and writing skills. The importance of reading is that it helps you improve your vocabulary and understand English better. Reading various materials. Read different types of materials, such as books, articles, and news to improve your understanding and expand your vocabulary. Writing practice. Do writing exercises, such as daily journaling or short essays, to improve your writing skills. English can help you travel, find better opportunities. English can help you travel, find better opportunities, and connect with people around the world. Keep going, even when it feels hard. Your effort today will create your success tomorrow. Step by step, I am getting better every day. And all our channels will help you learn English step by step. Just subscribe so you don't miss any new lessons or updates. Keep watching, even if you don't understand everything at the beginning. Little by little, your English will improve. Stay with us, practice every day, and you will see real progress.